turns 30 today. Here's another birthday bash for her.
Welcome back po muli sa aking channel. Kung first time po ninyong manood, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Ano masasabi ng lahat? Alden Richards nasa real party, the 30th birthday party ni Maine Mendoza. At talaga namang hindi napigilan at talagang marami naman ang natuwa nang makita nga na si Alden Richards ay kasama at dumalo sa birthday party o 30th birthday party sa birthday party ni Mengay. Birthday bash ni Mengay. Happy birthday again, Maine Mendoza. Yan lamang po.